Today we talk about how can you enable show connection visibility on your LinkedIn Learning app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. All you have to do, you just go down, you click here on my Learning down here. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. Then you click here on your name. When you click on your name, it's going to take you to your profile here. Then all you have to do now, just go above this sign, click on it. So then come to this list and you go down here and you click here on account settings. When you click on account settings, it's going to take you to this list here. You just switch into open video. So then you click here on visibility here. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list and you click here on connections. So then come to this list, you come here to connection visibility, just click in this sign. Then like you see this color show for us, that's mean connection visibility enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.